Hey guys, Tony Maritato here, licensed physical therapist. So, where are the therapists that are renting exercise bikes? I'm writing an article right now. I'll publish it, I'll attach it down below. But I've talked about this idea a couple months, maybe a couple years ago. We in physical therapy, occupational therapy, we used to rent equipment. We used to rent TENS units. We used to rent walkers and canes and different things. I don't know why we don't get into the space of renting exercise equipment. There are a lot of post-surgical patients who don't want to buy exercise equipment, but they want to use it at home. They don't want to have to hassle with having it delivered, ordering it from Amazon, putting it together, then getting rid of it when they're not using it in the future. So I want to put this idea out there again. Consider buying a $500, $600, $700 recumbent bike off of Amazon, assembling it, having everything ready, and then the next time you get that referral for a post-surgical total knee replacement, or maybe you buy a upper body ergometer and you have a patient who's had a rotator cuff repair, you have the option of renting that device to that individual. You can add this as a covered service to your self-pay offerings. You can also include this on your liability insurance. I reached out to my liability company. We used to use HPSO. I know that they do it. We now use PT1. I know that they do it. And they will cover the, I don't know what you even call it, but they will cover you for renting equipment to your patients if the patient gets hurt on the piece of equipment. So I just think that it's a service that the community needs. Patients will benefit from it. You are offering the value add of you're going to deliver the device, you're going to remove the device comes already assembled, you've already hand selected the best device. There's a lot of value in that. So even if you're renting these devices for $250 a month, it cost you $500 to make the purchase originally. 2 months of rental, you've paid for the device, and now you can continue to rent it to other patients, clients. I think it's a great thing that you should really consider adding to your business model. Let me know what you think.